Welcome back on another rental rehab episode. So, in the video that follows, you'll get to see the paint application, and you can kind of see the mostly finished product behind me. And just kind of as we went through all the rooms and did the vaulted entry and all that. So stay tuned, watch that. And then also at the very end of this video, it'll go through a segment that'll show you the chosen floor and and how it's progressing. So thanks for tuning in again, and cue the music.
Okay, the next step, while I've taken a break here, is to kind of assess the game plan for the vaulted entry. So, as far as I can tell, I can almost reach out here and then come back and have that void up there, and then maybe get most of the staircase as I go down, and that way we only leave just the very high spots to tackle. So that's kind of the game plan. But so the color that was chosen is it's called Software. I can't remember the brand. We'll go down and check out the brand, but it's called Software. Figured, hey, since we're into computers and stuff too, maybe we'll luck out and it'll turn out right. So, Sherwin-Williams Promar 200 and the color Software. And we were discussing last night on since it kind of came out so dark, that the fireplace mantle and the recess will be painted like a white, same color as the white trim doors. That way it kind of pops it all out. And then when all the white trim's down, and white cabinets, and as you can see, here's the porcelain floor tile, or porcelain, that's going to be used around the fireplace here and then also in the bathrooms. So that with that being lighter, that should help with the color as well. Going with it. See what happens. And all things, it's going to be a rental again. It's going to be a nice one. It may not be perfect, but as you know, it's my first go around. So anyways, stay tuned. I'll set the camera back up and we'll kind of tackle this entryway.
So the floor that we decided to go with is a full vinyl. We didn't decide and we chose the vinyl because it's more water resistant than like laminate that has like a wood or pressboard core in it. And being with the rental, we wanted something that's going to be durable, long lasting, and that's just resistant to wear and tear. So we went with Bundy carpets, and they came out and did all the measurements and whatnot, and we selected, let's see, where's the box at? Well, anyways, so we went with a wood plank look. Let's go back into the main living. And you can see how the wood floor or the vinyl flooring looks with the paint and then also the carpet. So the whole lower floor is the vinyl, and only upstairs and the staircase, upper hallway, and bedrooms are carpet, and then the bathrooms will be the porcelain tile that has a similar look to it. It's a little bit lighter, but again, this is like kind of my first go around with the Rehab. So there's the porcelain tile that's going to be in front of the fireplace and in the bed and the bathrooms. But I'm really pleased on how the floor is starting to turn out and actually how the house is taking shape. Now the flooring should all be done, I would say probably no later than Wednesday of next week, and then we can get back in here and finish all the painting, and then we'll start on the millwork pack and then get all the trim in, get the doors in, and the only thing that we'll be left with is the kitchen cabinet. So we're going to be wrapping this up real soon, and I'm excited for the cabinets. We changed the floor plan of the kitchen a little bit from its original design. We extended the countertop, and we also got rid of the over-the-range microwave and went for a hood, and then moved the microwave to a cabinet. And then we actually added a couple other cabinets as well, because the house doesn't have a pantry. So we wanted to actually increase and use the wall space and not just have dead wall, and that way it's just a bit more functional for the tenants. But anyways, I hope you like kind of what you're seeing, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you like the flooring? Do you think it pairs well with the paint? It kind of looks bluish I think in the camera, but it has more of a gray, and it's actually not as dark as I thought it was going to be once we got the tape off the window, or the plastic off the windows, because you still have the plastic up there. Most of the plastic's still up on the upstairs. So I think once we do that, it's not going to be near as dark as I was initially anticipating. So looking forward to that. I think the white trim, white cabinets will really help offset the darker color as well. But again, thanks for watching, and let us know what you guys think about the flooring and the color choice. Because the floor choice definitely seems to have more brown tones in it looking through the camera than it does actually in person. In person, it still keeps some of the gray hues, the gray tone is to it. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, give us your feedback. We'd love to hear it. So thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to like our page on Facebook, and we'll see you in the next episode.